to this channel. In this video we are going to see exactly how we can earn through Binance cloud mining. We are going for cloud mining today, the process of earning Bitcoin even when you are sleeping. Here exactly you see, I'll show you step by step how you are going to subscribe to this cloud mining. First of all, you need to open your Binance. Make sure your Binance is verified. If you don't have a verified Binance, I will drop the link below this video so that you will sign up for free. Firstly, you will go to the main dashboard. We are at the dashboard now. Then you click on earn. I advise that anyone seeing this video should quickly subscribe to this Binance cloud mining. Here we come to pool. We click on the pool. Under the pool, it's loading. Here we can see it's loading. Here we are. Here we will see the cloud miner. Let me show you the cloud miner. You will see the cloud miner. Sorry for the inconvenience here. Cloud miner. Today is exactly what we are going on to. So here you can see we tap on the cloud mining. Here you can see that they have been selling out. Right now, as I was talking to you, we have here this one right here, buy now. You can see that is available, and if you check again, you can see here this one has already been sold out. So definitely we will be going for this buy now. Here you can see that they said daily mining earnings will be paid to your funding wallet. So you don't need of any hassle, no need of any hassle. Daily you will get your return, and the duration is 90 days. You can see the mining start on 21st of June maybe, right? Yeah, June. Here you can see the hash rate. If you have a lot of money here, you can go up to 100 position, 100. But in this situation, for the sake of this video, I'm going for one hash rate, which you can see is 5.949, $5.09. Definitely I will be going for that one for the sake of the tutorial, so that you can see it. Okay, here we will say confirm. It's loading. Let's see how it goes. The purchase was successful. Okay, so you can see it's that simple. Whatever amount of money you have, you can just easily